All right, what is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. I know it's been a little while since I have posted. Basically, the video that you're about to see was not able to be transferred from my computer or from my phone to the computer. So this is gonna be an iPhone only vlog today, and basically I just wanted to let you guys know that my car is finally running. In this video you're gonna see basically me taking my car to the fabricator and him doing the fabrication work on the custom manifold, the top mount T4 manifold for the Borg Warner turbo that I have, and the intercooler and downpipe. All right, what is up? I'm on my iPhone right now. My camera's at home, but I'm at my job, just clocked out, and it is time to finally take my car to the fabricator. So I'm about to call my insurance company and basically tell them to tow me over to the fabricator spot, and then yeah, I'm gonna continue when Kevin gets over here. Don't want to talk too much because there's a lot of people around and I have a camera, but I'm gonna call a tow truck company and then we're gonna continue with the video. So yeah. All right, so I do hope you guys did enjoy this quick little video that I put together. I am going to start uploading a lot more. It's just been that I haven't had time to fix my car, and then in the next video you're going to see exactly why I haven't fixed my car, and then we're going to get back to the regular schedule. I'm going to try to post as much as I can. I know I'm supposed to be, and I got to update you guys on everything. There's a lot of stuff that I do need to buy still, and I'm gonna update you guys in the whole video. And then I'm also going to be doing a parts update video, a build list, and you guys are gonna see that shortly. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace out.